new driver. Diretso lang po. Yo, Tita Tet's turn. Marlon's turn. Kanan. Very good. Acres Elementary School. Yes, sige lang. Ayan, Marlon's turn. Ah, good job. Tita Tet and passenger. Dito ka kami na. Go. Nice one. Learning within our community. Yes, we're in the
Yan, may kasunod ako.
main street. Sige lang. Go. It's okay. Diretso lang. Diretso. When you see the first right, you will go right. Malayo pa. Yes. Little, nasa right way ka lang. Yeah, there you go. Yan,
Right onto Hemlock Avenue.
There you go, slowly, and then right turn, slowly. And right ka na, Mamilan, right. There you go, good job. Slowly then, slowly. Yay! Go. Very good.
Turn right onto Hemlock Avenue.
Ay, a little, yeah, street namin. Let's go. Yes.
Continue on Hemlock Avenue for 200
Good
meters.
job. Almost on our home. We're doing the reverse parking. Ooh, with camera. Good job. Yan. Ito na yan. Nakita mo na. Pag bumiretso na yung body mo, makikita mo yung diretso na. Sige pa. Little lang. Up. Then stop. Stop mo. Stop. Bawi mo. Balik mo yung gulong mo. Yan. Tama na. Up. Tama na yan. Then go. Makikita mo yun. Yan. Okay. Tapakan mo konti. Hindi. Yung gas. Oops, stop. Sige, kasi may ramp yun eh. Bumas ang gilid ka. Pwesto mo. Ay. Yan na, yan. Pwesto na. Forward mo. Tapakan mo yung gas. Sige, tapakan mo yung gas. Mamilan. Little lang. Op. Yan kasi may ramp eh. Okay. Sige pa, Mamilan. Tapakan mo. Konting-konti lang. Yan, dahan-dahan. Hindi ka Kasi iakit pa yung isa mong ramp eh. Yes. Balik mo na. Ito naman mali eh. Babalik mo ngayon. Yan. Yan na, diretso. Park mo. There you go. Sige.
Okay na?
Little more.
Sige pa.
Little more. Konti. Yes. Sige pa. Yan. Sige. Yan na. Okay. Yan. Yeah. Good job.
Meron pa yun.
Pwede naman yan. Stop. Yay! Park. Good job for Mamilan and Tita Tet.
Okay.